Hey people, so you know what I have with me in this little bag? I have my little rabbit, and that's what we are practically. I'm smuggling him with me to Hyderabad. But see, take a look at it. Can you see him? Um, I mean, see, technically, I should once I upload this video, it would be after I've reached Hyderabad, and let's hope it survives the journey. But what do I do? No, there are people who are suggesting just leave the animal behind. How it's a it's a it's a baby, yeah, it needs a person to sing. So, and it looks quite secure inside. It has a carrot piece, and it is, if you to take a look at him. So I'm just quite excited to take him back to Hyderabad, and my child will be there. He'll be so happy to see it. And look at these Christmas celebration decoration is still on, but I have to be all set to travel. So that will be happening soon enough. But waiting to go to the station. And once without makeup and all, I'm not able to do a whole recording. So anyway, I'm just going on blabbering, but take a look around. And yeah, I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.